Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this session, we are going to discuss about our monthly option scanner, that is positional option scanner with the Google Sheet version. So which we have created the new version, which helping you to find out the positional opportunity as well as weekly based opportunity and intraday. So based on the Camarilla R4 breakout, so which we are going to use with this scanner, and that I'm just going to discuss in this video. And last video we are discussing about the monthly IV generation. It's for a non-directional strategy, and this one is act as a scanner for a directional strategy. So we have a course content, so which we are teaching you 5 different hedging strategies, and there you will be use that strategy in directional as well as non-directional basis. So the main logic about this thing is relating to the course. So those who are completed the course, and the scanner will be provided. Previously we are providing the scanner in a Google Sheet base. So last February we have stopped that particular sheet. I will show you that Google Sheet version. So the same which you are turned into web app. So this is what our previous thing which we are using as a Google Sheet as a scanner, and we are finding out breakout opportunities for our positional strategy as a scanner. This Google Sheet version now we stopped in last February itself, and the data where it is shown is last February, and now we are updated that version is into web app. So you may be getting lifetime access for this particular scanner along with the course access. Those who are messaging with this video, after watching this you will be getting better price for course and with this scanner along with Camarilla and monthly IV sheet generator scanner also you will be getting as this weekend offer you can get from this all 3 scanners along with the course. So if you're really interested to learn our positional strategy, just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown on this video, and you'll be getting more about the scanner. Okay, so this mainly the positional strategy which you have built it like options. We are using that for non-directional trades and directional trades. So directional trade, we are not using any charts and indicator, only a price and the calculation basis we are using. So non-directional strategy like 1.1 and directional 2.1 or 3.2 kind of strategy which we can use it, or FO strategies. Here also FO strategies with directional as a non-directional, and SBB strategy, and here also SBB. You can use either directional or non-directional, and finally OTM strategy, and here you can use the OTM directional and the ATM direction. So this particular scanner works as a directional basis, and non-directional basis we use monthly IV based stocks, and directional we will be using a directional strategy based. So this is what a core content which is related to our course, and both the scanner for this monthly IV scanner as well as this scanners with the course recorded course you will be getting access for a lifetime all the things. So if you're really interested, you just ping me back. Okay, so we need to did this data for the next month. So last trading session data should be uploaded. So you have to upload 30th, that is the previous month. So based on that only we are trying to find out, and monthly data we are going to update monthly once. That is what a last trading day of the month, not an expiry day. Last trading day of the month data we are updating, and we will be following the stocks which is performing. Based on the performance we will be getting the top listed here. From that we can apply our strategy whenever nearby trigger or after at the trigger point, so we can execute our strategies. And the first week, don't confuse, the first week both weekly and monthly scanners look same, because on the last trading session data which we are going to take out from the day. Okay, just a moment. So last week data. So every Friday's data we are going to upload, and then we will be getting the list of stocks. And intraday, so a lot of questions about this intraday. So this is what additional purpose which we are given. So weekly and monthly is working based on the strategy, and intraday is works based on the indicator. So that indicator is nothing about Cambrilla R4 breakout. So for an example, we have to fetch the levels one day at once. For an example, this is what a Monday level. We try to fetch the data, but some of the stocks will showing you much more values. Why? Because of it may be not a liquid one. So randomly we can check any one, PGEL 540. Okay, I'm just going to check PGEL 540 call option. Look at this. This may not be a good liquid, but the data tomorrow's level already we are fetched out here. So what should be the trigger is 34. That means trigger is nothing about R4 values. Tomorrow's R4 values 34.61. So let me try to derive that. It may be available in TradingView, or even here there is an option Cambrilla. Tomorrow here CPR only, but in TradingView you can able to get tomorrow CPR also. Okay, intraday Cambrilla. This one. This is not tomorrow Cambrilla. There is a lot of indicators available. We go for I think this one. Okay, this will be telling you tomorrow's level. I am just going to 5 minutes. Yeah, this is what a tomorrow's level. Let me confirm whether our scanner showing the exact thing. PGEL 540 call. Okay, PGEL options. MSC 540 call option on May contract. Okay, so where 34.61 is an H4. So the same H4 we are going to fetch it here, 34.61. So current price it's showing you 50.05 as per the settlement price, or maybe our last closing price on the NSE, that would be showing you that much value. But by opening on Monday, it will be going to show you the exact values which you can get it on the live market. So before market open, you will be getting the exact things. Maybe this kind of stocks, quote is 930. Actually, you can look at this. That is not a liquid. Maybe it will be showing you settlement price. That is 36.51, 1.76. It is not even showing it tomorrow's level. It is previous day's levels only to show. So this is based on the calculations. You don't need to worry about the calculations. It is exactly going to be in the live market. It will be plotting the levels, and it would be going to the right one. Okay, so that is what our scanner, which helping you to find out breakouts monthly based and weekly based. Weekly we have to holding maximum 5 days, and monthly it's up to 30 days, but we are not going to hold it more than 25. Okay, so this is what our logic on our scanner, and this one only our course student we are providing it. Okay, so that logic, if you really understood, then it would be better for your option positional strategy. And thank you for watching, and we are updated for the month of May also, and those who are already using, so you can also check and verify the data which we are updated. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel.